Hello, this is Smarto Day and welcome to my lessons, SD Lessons. Today I am going to explain you how to find out square root by the division method. Now before I start, one thing I need to tell you which you have to know is, let me write it in the right hand side. Squares, like squares of zeros, 0 multiplied by 0 is 0. Square of 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. You need to know this. Make a table and learn it. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6s are 36, 7 7s are 49, 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81, 10 10s are 100, 11 11s are 121, 12 12s are 144, then 169, then 17, that is 13 13, 14 14, 196, 15 15, 225, and so on. You continue. Okay, you learn it after 20 20s are 400, 21 21s are 441, 22 22s are 484, and so on. It will help you. Now let me take one example how to do it. This part is important. So the first thing is learn this. Then once you know that, let us take one example. 4 2 8 4 9. We are going to find out the square root by division method of 42,849. What you do, you draw one line like this and one line like this. Now the first step, remember number 1. Where is the decimal in this number? In the extreme right. Locate that decimal. Because when I will give you another example with a decimal, that will help you. You have to locate the place of the decimal. Once you locate that, from there you go towards the left from the decimal. Pair it. A pair of numbers, and there is unpaired one number. You can put a 0 in front of 4 or you can leave it like that. Okay, so paired it. So now you have to check. Here I have 4. What is the first digit? 4. Then next pair 28, next 49. 4 is here. Look at here. 4 is here. So what I write here, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, what I have to do? I have to subtract here. 4 minus 4 is 0. And what do I write here? I bring down this 2 here and write here 2 and I add. 2 plus 2, 4. What is the next step? Bring down the next pair of number, that is 28. Now what I am supposed to do is, if I change the color, it will help you. Let me change the color. Okay, let me change it to white. Now if I put here 0, I have to put here 0. 40 into, if I put there 0, it will become 40. And if I put on top 0 here, it will become 0 there. 40 into 0, that is like this. Let me write it here. 40 into 0 will be 0. That is less than 28. But if I put there beside 4, if I put here 1, then 41 into 1 is 41. That is more than 28. So I cannot, here is C 28. I cannot take that. So what I do here, I write 0 and I write 0 here. So this one, 40 into 0 is 0. So what I do, 28 minus 0 is 28. And then I bring down the next pair, that is 49. And what should I do here? Let me change the color, otherwise it will get cluttered. I have to write here. So let me take this blue and put it here. Remove this. It looks dirty otherwise. I remove this line also. This arrow also I remove. And let me remove this one also, so that it does not confuse you. Let it be clear there. And then let me use the another color. Which color do I use? White. Okay. Now what should I do now? This 0 comes here and I add and I get 40. What to do now? I have to think of a number here, and the same number I will put it here. What can it be? Can it be 7? Maybe. Can it be 3? 403 into 3, it will not give you 2849. So I think it is 7. I think it is 7. 407 into, that means, let me write here down here, 407 into 7, and it will give you 2849. All right, I subtract, I get 0, so it is done. So what is my answer? 207 is the answer. Let me help you with one decimal one. Explain you with a decimal number. Let me change the page. Now this example 53.29. So here is a decimal. So how to do the square root of a decimal number? First, what you are supposed to do is pair it. From the decimal, go towards the left. From the decimal, go towards the right. So I got two pairs, 53, another is 29, and there's a decimal. Now 53, remember, square of 0 is 0, square of 1 is 1, then square of 2 is 4, 3 3 is a 9, 4 4 is a 16, 5 5 is a 25, 6 6 is a 36, 7 7 is a 49, 8 8 is a 64. How much do I have here? 53, and here 49. So I have to take this one. 7 7s are 49. I write here 7. I write here 7. 7 7s are 49. Now 53 minus 49, how much I get? I get 4. And this 7 will be written here and added. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now what is the next step? Next step, here is the decimal. Put the decimal here on top and bring down the next pair, 29 here. What is the next step? What I have here, I have to put a number here and the same number here. What could be the number? Can I put there 0? 140 into 0 is 0. No. Can I put there 1? 141 into 1 is 141. Can I put there 2? 142 into 2 is 284. Can I put there 3? Most probably 143, and here also 3. I get 429. So if I subtract, I get 0. The work is done. So I don't have to continue further in the same process. It is done. So what is my answer? 7.3. So in this process, you can continue. Suppose it doesn't end, then you have to keep on taking pair of numbers to the here, right? 0 0 0 0, and you can keep on taking pairs. Like you can do with 3 square root of 3. You can take decimal here a pair, then you can take 0 0, then again 0 0, then again 0 0, and continue. And if you solve it, how much will you get? You find out, you may get most likely 1.41, and see how much you get here. Okay, you can continue. You can try with 3, you can try with 5, get the square root of 5, get the square root of 7, and check it. Okay, and check your answer with the calculator. You will know whether you are correct or not. So with this, children, I end here today. I will show you some other in my next lesson. For today, bye bye. Bye bye, children.